See, children, while thinking so, she saw a green caterpillar. You know what is caterpillar, children? Ah, okay. See, to her surprise, it was dressed in a pink jacket and it was sitting on on top of a large mushroom. Children, you think in real mushroom how small it is? See, everything happens here just like a magic, children. Follow me correctly. And it was smoking a bubble pipe also. See, children. And this caterpillar says aloud that one side makes you big, the other side makes you small. So saying, it moves away. Then Alice starts shouting, "What do you mean?" While going itself, the caterpillar says that to eat mushroom. Alice ate a piece of mushroom. Then immediately she began to grow larger. Next, the path leads to the Mad Hatter. The other way leads to Lee Match here, said a voice. Alice turned to find a smiling Cheshire cat in a tree. "I'll see you later at the Queen's croquet game," he said before disappearing. See, again, one voice comes from somewhere and saying, one path leads to the Mad Hatter and the other path leads to La Marche. Suddenly, Alice got surprised and turned here and there. And at last, she found a smiling cat on a tree. After that, the cat says, "I'll see you later at the Queen's croquet game," and disappeared. Again, Alice says, roams here and there, and she found a table set out under a tree in front of the house. Again, she finds a table in front of the under a tree in front of the house. And the March Hare and a Hatter were having tea at it. Next, a dormouse was sitting between them. See, children, how many animals are coming here? Fast asleep, and the other two were using it as a cushion, resting their elbows on it and talking over its head. Very uncomfortable for the dormouse, thought Alice. Only as it's asleep, I suppose it doesn't mind. The table was a large one, but the three were all crowded together at one corner of it. "No room, no room," they cried out when they saw Alice coming. See, when Alice moved towards them, they are saying, "No room, no room." That means no place here. You are saying, no, if any new person comes, no, along with your friends, you are not ready to leave place for them to sit, no. Like that, even though there was much place on the table, They're shouting, no room, no room, like that. There's plenty of room, said Alice indignantly, and she sat down in a large armchair at one end of the table. Alice said, there is much room is here, that means much place is there, like that, and she sat on the armchair. You know what is armchair? The chair with a armrest. Okay. Then those animals offer some wine for Alice in an encouraging tone. Alice looked all round the table, but there was nothing on it but tea. By listening to this, Alice sees around, but there was nothing like wine, but she could find only tea. Then Alice said, I don't see any wine. Then that animal says, there isn't any. Then it wasn't very civil of you to offer it, said Alice angrily. See, Alice got angry. What is this manner? Without anything, you are offering me to drink, right? It wasn't very civil of you to sit down without being invited. Then this March hare. This hare also rabbit family only, but it is wild variety. So it says that without we inviting you, you are coming and sitting. No, is that manner? Like that. In return, this hare asked. I didn't know it was your table, said Alice. It's laid for a great many more than 3. You may stay if you answer my riddle, shouted the Mad Hatter. See, children, Alice was giving a counter to the hare. What is that? I didn't know it was your table. It was laid for a great many more than 3. So I thought that the more space is there, so more than 3 you can sit like that. I came here. Then this Mad Hatter says, you may stay, no problem, if you answer my riddle. And the riddle, why is a raven like a writing desk? That was the riddle. So Alice felt dreadfully confused or puzzled. The Hatter's riddle seemed to have no sort of meaning in it, and yet it was certainly English. Okay, I will stop here, children, and we will see in next class. Now, children, there is a home task for you. Okay, let me say what is that. Take this poem. What is the poem name? Yeah, the poem of adventure. Now, see, children, so stanza 1, that means you used to say paragraph. No, you should not be saying like that. So paragraph in the sense in a lesson. but in poem one para means one stanza. 1, 2, 3 stanza and 4. Up to these 4 stanzas, that means in your language para, 4 paras, so that 4 stanzas should be written 3 times and should be posted in the group as well as in the app. Okay children, by today evening 7 o'clock. Okay children, thank you.